Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we are looking at order of operations. Now the order of operations we can think of as the acronym or the abbreviation of BEDMAS. Now what is this? Well, this is brackets, and we're doing these in order, exponents, and exponents are things like powers, square roots, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, because division and multiplication are two sides of the same coin, the order of these doesn't matter so much as, or the order in which you do them doesn't matter so much as you're doing brackets before exponents. And we can say the same thing for addition and subtraction. So let's have a look at this in an example. So brackets 2 plus 2 times 2, close bracket, squared. The first thing I want to do is the brackets. So I'm going to go inside the bracket first. I'm going to ignore the squared. So within the brackets, I've got 2 plus 2 times 2. So what am I going to do first? The multiplication. So ignoring the exponent for the time being, 2 times 2 is 4. I'm still got a bracket here, so I have to do the next step, which is addition. 2 plus 4 is 6. Now my brackets are finished. There's nothing else I can do in there, so I move down through BEDMAS to E, exponent. 6 to the power of 2 is 36. Nothing left to do. The answer is 36. Now, our next question is a little bit more complicated, but taking it step by step and following BEDMAS, we won't have a problem. So, the first thing we're looking for is brackets. Now, because we've got 2 brackets, we can do them in either order, but I'm just going to go from left to right. So this first bracket, 81 divided by 9, well, I know that that's equal to 9. 9 goes to 81 9 times. Now moving on to the next bracket, I've got 5 minus 3 times 4. So before the subtraction, I have to do the multiplication. 3 times 4 is 12. Now the next step, I'm looking for the next thing, which is still a bracket. Right? We've got to simplify that 5 minus 12. So I don't need the brackets around 9 anymore. 5 minus 12 is minus 7. Oh, that's a 2. Minus 7 squared. So now I've got no more brackets left, right? But what I do have following the B is E, which is that squared. So minus 7 squared, minus 7 times minus 7. This is what I always tell my students. If you see a negative number and you are multiplying it, take a breath because you might make a mistake. Minus 7 times minus 7 is 49, not minus 49. So 49. Now, the next step, I'm going to need my calculator for. I didn't learn my 49 times tables at school. 9 times 49 is equal to 441. If you don't have a calculator, you can do 10 times 49 minus 49, right? That's 10 lots minus 1 lot, which is 9 lots of 49, which equals 490 minus 49, which is 441.